Attraction rarely disappears suddenly, it usually changes gradually through small emotional shifts. These shifts often influence perception before they become clearly noticeable. Perception often shapes emotional response. One factor influencing attraction is emotional stimulation. When interaction becomes predictable, emotional intensity often decreases. Reduced intensity often affects memorability. Emotional variation often maintains curiosity. Curiosity often increases engagement. Engagement often strengthens connection. Another factor appears in behavioral consistency that becomes too repetitive. Repetition often reduces perceived novelty. Novelty often increases emotional interest. Attraction often grows when interaction includes elements of discovery. Discovery often stimulates imagination. Imagination often increases emotional involvement. Emotional connection often depends on balanced communication. When communication becomes mechanical, emotional depth often decreases. Reduced depth often weakens perceived chemistry. Interest often develops through subtle emotional tension. When tension disappears completely, interaction often feels less stimulating. Reduced stimulation often influences attraction. Behavioral patterns often communicate confidence or uncertainty indirectly. Indirect signals often influence perception subconsciously. Subconscious perception often affects attraction. Gradual emotional changes often become noticeable only after repeated interaction. Repeated patterns often reveal emotional direction. Direction often influences long-term interest. Attraction often increases when interaction feels engaging, dynamic, and emotionally stimulating. Emotional stimulation often sustains curiosity. Curiosity often sustains attraction.